everybody, welcome back. It is currently 8:01. I wanted to leave a half an hour ago, but the kids woke up and Charlotte's been super attached to me lately, so I had to like sneak out. I did start vlogging yesterday, and then I just, right when we were gonna go, my stepdad stopped in town and he hasn't seen us since February, and he's a truck driver, so we just went and met him for like 20 minutes just to say hi. I gave him a bunch of my cereal that I've been getting from couponing. So we went and visited him, and then I got home. I was just exhausted yesterday, you guys. Like, that's one reason why I didn't want to vlog yesterday, because I was just so tired from the sun the other day. But like, my sunburn's pretty much gone away. I'm just getting like, it's burnt, but it's not like I'm in pain or anything. So then yesterday I just kind of was a bum with the kids, you know. I actually fell asleep when Charlotte took a nap, and then, you know, Graham and I had burgers on the grill. We played War, which is a card game. Love that card game. We haven't played cards in forever. I don't think we've played cards since we've had kids. That's how long it's been. And so then, you know, we had dinner, and then I was gonna watch The Sandlot. I really want to watch The Sandlot because it kind of takes place on 4th of July, so I'm gonna probably watch it today. But then our neighbors was having fireworks, and they canceled the fireworks in our area. So our neighbor was having fireworks, and he was not the ones that like explode up in the air are illegal. And they're making, like, they're really cracking down on this. But they said, like, you know, the fireworks were sold 200 times than what they usually do because nobody was going to fireworks. So, like, I swear, at like 9:30, 10 o'clock last night, everybody was lighting fireworks. It was everywhere. But our neighbor was lighting up, like, 8 at a time. It was just awesome. So I got a couple videos. I think I posted them on Instagram. I got stupid mosquito bites on my legs. I'm so sick of the stupid mosquitoes, but yeah, that's just how my day is going. I am currently going to be going to Menards. I got to get some newspapers because those are $2.50 there, and my newspaper only has the P&G. The Retail Me Not, there's one stupid coupon, and I felt like somebody was behind me. It's just one stupid coupon, so I am not even caring about that. I just want to get some P&Gs to last me for the month. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to Walgreens. Hopefully I can be back by noon. That's what my goal is, or even 11 o'clock would be the best. But I will catch you guys back later when I'm more motivated. Hey guys, so it's 9:48. I was just in Walgreens for like an hour. Don't you hate it when stuff just doesn't go your way? Like, in fact, I wrote it down and then I didn't figure out the math, and then I had to return something, and then your digitals don't come off, so I gotta complain to Walgreens. It's just one of those days, you guys. One of those days. So I am gonna now film my Walgreens video, and then I'm gonna head to CVS. So I wanted to get done with Walgreens a lot earlier, but it's just kind of hard with figuring out certain deals and stuff. But I will hey you guys, so it is hot as heck out here. I just got done filming my CVS video. Now I'm gonna head home, get this video popped. It's like noon. I wanted to be home by 11, but with the machines not working and my problems that I had at Walgreens, it's just not a big deal. But it is hot outside, you guys. Like, I'm just ready to sit in the pool when I get home. So I will see you guys back in a bit. I don't know what we're gonna work on today, but I am just gonna probably just sit at home and watch The Sandlot, because that's one movie I really want to watch. And I'm gonna have some Oreos and ice cream, possibly. Might mix it both, I don't know. We will see, and I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So it's like, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 2:30. I don't know. 3:21. Okay. So I just got done filming all my videos and uploading them, and everything's all on there. I'm working on making a dinner right now, just because I have one last Hello Fresh meal that we've had, and I want to get it, I want to use it up before the stuff goes bad on it. So I hardly have anything to eat today, you guys. I had like some peanut butter bagels, and then I had some licorice, and that's all I've eaten today. So I'm making this so Graham and I can have some food. Miss Charlotte's gonna have some food. We're gonna play some cards in a little bit. Graham and I haven't played cards in forever, so I got that going on. But yeah, we're just gonna have a nice relaxing afternoon. It is hot as all heck outside. When I was driving home, the thing on the dashboard said it was 90 degrees. So it's hot, plus that humidity is crazy. So we're just having a nice family day, aren't we? Nice family day? Yeah? Yeah. Miss Charlotte's like, yeah. Yeah. Ben fell asleep on the floor watching Hotel Transylvania, so he can be cool with that. I got some coupons from Pick and Save, so I gotta use those up. But I don't know, you guys. It's just too hot to do anything. I gotta bring my stuff in from couponing earlier. Paris is like, Mom, give me some food. Give me some food, Mom. I want some food. Give me that food, Mom. Yes, little Paris. Yes. Yes. So that's how my day is going, you guys. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Yes, Paris. Okay, so I can't stop petting my cat. She's so soft. And then we got little Miss Charlotte who's carrying her diaper around. You got your diaper? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. So it's currently 8:11. I went outside in the backyard to go throw something out in the field. It was like some bread. And we have these swallows that have a nest right underneath our deck above our little camera. It's like they laid a nest right on the camera. And so they've been, you know, flying for the last couple weeks all over the place, but they haven't like really gotten super close to us. Well, we have the pool right there, and I was, you know, gonna go put the bread in the backyard, and the birds started flying at me. And then I went by the pool to go put my feet in, and they got like right here, you guys, like right here. I'm like, holy crap. You know, I'm running to the front yard, and they're following me, and I'm like, crap, you know, hurry up. So I looked, we can see their nest, like right when we open the patio door, and they'll come and attack us there too. But so far I saw two birds, but they look like they're about to leave the nest anytime now because they got like all their feathers and all that stuff. But from what I remember, there was 4 eggs in that nest. So I want them to go away as soon as possible. Once I see them fly, I'm gonna take that nest down because those things are evil Knievils. Like, I can't even enjoy my pool in the backyard without them sweeping at me. But I think next time I go back there, I'm gonna take my umbrella and see how badly, if they actually touch the umbrella. We will see, little stink bards. But yeah, we have a firework place right next to, right in our town, and we went there after we ate just to see if they had any fireworks, because we never got fireworks this year. So we got some. Yeah,
I saw a cool dragon one.
Yeah, we got some, not much, but we got like $20 worth. So we'll probably light those like next weekend or something. I don't know. I told Graham not to do it tonight because of people working. You talking to Dada? She's talking on her baby phone. What are you talking on? Oh, the remote. So that's what's going on. I was watching The Sandlot this morning, or this afternoon. I have like maybe 15 minutes left of it. What? Yeah, but tomorrow we're not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything. Graham has to go to work early. So we're just gonna get some stuff done around the house. I'm gonna try to start another cup. My jewels apparently are gonna be here tomorrow. But yeah, yesterday.
I want a prize.
You just got a prize. You got your fireworks.
What about my toy from Mattel?
Oh, that'll be in the mail anytime. They haven't told me when it ships. But yeah, yesterday yesterday we got up in the morning. My stepdad called. We met him. And then, you know, I just kind of bummed around the house yesterday. And then I fell asleep when Charlotte took her afternoon nap. And I don't even think, we didn't even go anywhere yesterday. And then our neighbors was having fireworks. And, you know, we had a good old time with that. Just getting to know the neighbors some more. And
we did fireworks too.
Yeah. So that's what's going on today. It wasn't very much of an exciting day. But I looked at my CVS receipt after I got home today, and I found out that he charged me for 5 Herbal Essence, and I only got 4. So now I have to take my receipt next week and tell them that I got charged. It's scanned for another one, so we will see what happens with that. But I got charged, you know, for that. It's just loving it. Today just wasn't my day for couponing, you guys. Like, Ben, Ben, can you put the firework one on? I don't want her ruining that.
The firework?
Yeah, there's a firework one.
It's firework day?
Well, yeah, put it on the thing. Charlotte's like, that's mine, that's mine. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna try to figure out. That goes underneath the table. I'm gonna try to figure out more DIYs and stuff, and then I'm gonna start figuring out food meals. Once like August, September hits, I'm gonna start doing some like food meals just because with everything going on. Like they said like 752 people came up positive yesterday, like 500 and something today. It's just crazy. But yeah, so I'll just stay at home more. I do want to go to Walmart. I probably will go to Walmart sometime soon. I just don't like taking the kids anywhere, but if I have to go, I have to go.
I want Days to go to work now, and you have to bring us.
You have to bring us? I have to bring you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I haven't been to Walmart in forever. Like I was there when my mom was here, but I haven't like couponed at Walmart since March.
We're at Walmart after it was so windy out, and we're about to see Ian and Asher.
Yeah, but I haven't been to the Walmart I usually shop at since March. It's crazy, crazy. So that's how my day is going. We're gonna just sit and relax. It's 8:16.
And we're gonna get some popcorn and watch a movie.
You wanna watch a movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandma and I will play cards. So that's how my day went.
I'm clean too.
You're clean too?
You're playing.
Oh, okay. So I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. We'll have a better, successful day tomorrow. But this weekend.
Yeah, tomorrow I can poop in your mom.
No, just with the heat right now, you guys. It's just so hot and humid. So you guys have a nice day. And we will see you guys later. Say bye.
Thumbs up for the video and push the like button 100,000 times.
Okay, bye.